everyone, welcome to the very first episode of the Power Oil Healthy Food series, where I'll be sharing lots of healthy and mouth-watering delicacies that you can create from the comfort of your kitchen. My star ingredient for this series is the Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil. I love a very good breakfast, and any meal that allows me to take in more proteins to help build my body muscles and add more nutrients to my beautiful body is always a winner in my kitchen. You may already be very familiar with my egg and plantain frittata, also popularly known as Dodo Pizza. Now, this is one recipe that has been recreated so many times in my kitchen because it makes use of lots of eggs, which is a great way to get your recommended daily protein intake. Now, talk about a winning recipe that adds lots of nutritional value to your body and is packed with lots of flavor. But scratch the Dodo Pizza, guys. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Dodo Pizza burger. Yes, you heard me. I said Dodo Pizza burger. It's a beautiful way to take things up a notch and create a fancy meal that everyone is sure going to love. Now let's get right into this cooking action. For this recipe, you need the Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil, some bread rolls, ripe plantains, ketchup, mayonnaise, lettuce, eggs, sausages, some bell pepper strips, chopped tomatoes, peppers and onions, and then some salt to taste. So we begin by prepping the plantains now. Now is the time to pay rapt attention if you have never heard of this recipe, because it's one that you definitely would want to add to your repertoire of recipes. Okay, so I'm just going to start by opening up the plantains. Afterwards, you just chop up the plantains in bite-sized pieces, just like so. You want to ensure that the plantain pieces are about 1 inch thick so that they do not sink into the egg batter when it's time to assemble it up. The plantains get a good salting just to increase and heighten the flavors. We'll toss it about. And then afterwards, we'll move right to the stove top. Grab the Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil and place in a pan heating up on medium heat. When it is hot, fry the plantains till they are nice and golden brown. Afterwards, place a pot on medium heat and drizzle some oil into the pot. Followed by some onions and the garlic paste. And then fry for about 30 to 45 seconds until it is nice and fragrant. And some fresh pepper, and then fry for about 30 to 45 seconds until it is nice and fragrant. Next, add the chopped tomatoes and season with some curry powder, thyme, pepper, seasoning cube, and some salt to taste. Mix everything together to combine, then cover the pot and allow to fry for 7 to 8 minutes. Afterwards, grab the sausage pieces and add to the pot as well. Mix again and cook for an extra 1 minute. Finally, add the bell peppers and mix one more time and then take it off the heat immediately. Crack open the eggs in a bowl and season with some salt. Whisk to combine. Add the cooked filling into the egg mixture and then whisk again to combine everything together. Coat a pan generously with some power oil and pour the egg mixture into the pan. Then gently top with the fried plantains. Cover with the foil paper, then place the lid on the foil to help trap the steam inside the pan. Reduce the heat to the lowest and allow to cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until firmed up. After about 20 minutes, open up the pan and then you would know it's perfectly firm when you put your finger at the center and it's not liquidy. Now to the fun part. Cut the bread rolls in half and then coat with some mayonnaise. Then cut out a slice of the egg and the plantain frittata and place on one half of the bread roll. Then top with some lettuce leaves, some tomato slices, and finally with the other half of the bread roll. And that's it, guys. Dodo Pizza burger ready to be devoured. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this recipe. If you've been making it for yourself, do not forget to grab a bottle or two or more of some power oil, pure vegetable oil. Of course, take your pictures and tag us at Delicious Foods and also the power oil so that we can all see your recreations and share on our pages as well. Alright guys, I'll see you next time with another power oil recipe. Until then, take care.